So today what we have here, what we're gonna be working with the QuickJacks. QuickJack setup. Finna do the body kit. Get that installed. The body kits there that we got in store for this guy. Finna be working with these good old QuickJacks. It's the air pump right there. Should be an easy process getting the car lifted up in the air. Fast and safe and easy. All right, we're finna see what we're gonna come up with. I gotta use it more. Keep it from untangling. It's still so new. Oh, man. Doing it all day. Just like that. Real easy. Connects right in there just like that. I'll go on the other side. Connect just like that. All right. Got the lines going.
That part, that's green so far. In almost all the cases, money making for these businesses. Especially when you put large storage on budget. Like we saw in Australia and the US, we were like that. First, all electricity is lower than 80%. Elements are self-proclaimed largest electric trade storage. It's operating in building network, 2,000 tons of CO2 can. So this one doesn't even have to be a new vehicle maker for Tesla's price drop that everybody else. CarMax sold over half of its Tesla inventory in 24 hours. Tesla got prices in a massive way, and now used Teslas are much more affordable.
But yeah, I just want to give a quick note though. These are, it's amazing how high these QuickJacks let up. Let the car up in the garage. Get plenty of room to work on, do what you got to do. You got to do all that bending over so far.
And the verification is one of the basics. They are tracking the individual battery. Also, it started in
Well, well, just got to doing the finishing up with the error kit for the plaid here for smoke. Got it done and everything's nice and secure and tight. Had the ramp come in at the right time, well enough to give me enough height off the ground where I can do my drilling and so on. Also too, because I was using these QuickJacks at certain points though, I couldn't get in there between some parts of the car as far as to do the side. So I waited till these came in and drove up on it and give me enough clearance to do what I need to do. Got it taken care of. Give it a nice good stance too. Look at that thing sticking out. Help with that drag on the track. Downforce. You seal. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell.